Hello, this is Jared with BMW of Bridgewater. I'm the portfolio manager here, and today I'm hoping to show you a little bit more about the park distance control in a BMW. Now, in order to keep today's video a little more concise, I'm going to strictly focus on park distance control in going in reverse. So I'm going to go ahead and have you do is go ahead and look at our screen right over here. This is going to be a combination of your rear view camera, and over here on the left is your park distance control. Now, just for the sake of this purpose, we're going to be backing up, so I'll show you how that works. I'm now currently putting the car in reverse. Now you're going to go ahead and hear some beeping, so go ahead and pay attention to that. What you're hearing with the beeping is the car trying to warn me if I'm getting too close to another vehicle, whether it be on the sides I'm backing up or directly behind me. So I'm going to go ahead and let the car roll back as we're going into reverse. Notice you're going to get the lights here and also here, but focus more on the left since this is the park distance control I'm going to be showing you today. Now, as you get closer to the vehicle, green means that you're doing okay, you're heading on the right path. But as I'm getting closer, go ahead and take a look at that light right there. That's yellow. That's a little bit of a caution light. I'm getting a little too close, but I still have room to work with. Now notice what happens if I just go a little more back. You're gonna see the light fill out. It's warning me where I gotta look out. I've got it right behind me. I'm a little close to the car on my left. It's an important indication. Also over here, when it starts turning to that orange, a little too close. So I'm gonna again just go a tiny bit more because I'm hoping to show you what it looks like if you're in the danger zone. Now go ahead and take a look again one more time at that park distance control. I've now entered the red, which means that again, I've gotten too close to the vehicle behind me. It's warning me if I keep going back, I'm gonna hit it, which we certainly don't want. The beeping has stopped because I've now applied the brakes. I'm no longer moving. So just for safety, I'm just gonna put it in park. Once you put the vehicle in park, the beeping won't happen as much. Again, you're not moving, you're not in gear. So just to review, park distance control, especially when backing in the rear, is going to help you know where the cars are around you by giving you the sensor right here while working with your rear view camera. Now I'm hoping that helped you today. So just in review, if you have any more questions or would like to know more about our BMW product, be sure to come in or give us a call. We're looking forward to help you, and I hope you have a great day.